Transfer and exchange of properties from property arrangements. In order to make working with the property arrangements easier, several new buttons are available in the Display tab of the Property dialog for the components. Use the buttons Copy to copy the properties selected in the list with their set displayed properties. Add a different component. These properties can be inserted below the selected property into the list of the other property arrangement by using the button Paste. TTA text icon. The property selection is opened through the Edit button. This makes it possible to replace a property in the property arrangement by another one, for example the property DT, displayed, by the property DT, full. Thanks to these extensions for the property arrangements, you can now transfer display settings irrespective of the symbol and variant.